Hi everyone, this is Raymond. I hope you are doing well today. I'm very excited because I'm about to show you a mind-blowing website where with artificial intelligence you would get all assets and tools you need for marketing to promote any product you want on social media. Just in a few seconds you will get all graphics, all stock photos, all copies for social media platforms, all landing pages, all marketing videos, and all voiceovers. And on top of that, you can get your copies in different languages, and you can use this amazing website for free. This amazing website for today, that is MarketingPlugs.ai. MarketingPlugs.ai. Here you will find the future of marketing is here, as you see, and get all your marketing assets done in minutes by artificial intelligence. As I said before, you can get here from MarketingPlugs.ai all tools and all assets, landing pages, photos, copies, marketing videos, and much more. If we have a look at pricing plans here on this amazing website, you'll find here 3 pricing plans like Pro and Unlimited, and you'll find here this free plan, okay, $0 a month. So now we can go back to homepage of MarketingPlugs.ai and just sign up for free, quickly and simply. And here you can insert your details like name, email, and the password. So for today I would like to use a disposable email like this one. Copy back to Marketing Plugs, and now we are required to answer some questions as a survey from Marketing Plugs. What is your company business name? So we can name it Fog, for example. Okay. The second question is about how many people work at your company, so we can select this one. The next one, how do you intend to use Marketing Plugs? So we can create marketing assets for my clients. Okay. Which tool are you most interested in? So we can select artificial intelligence copywriter. And the next question is about how did you hear about Marketing Plugs? So we can select this one as social media, for example. Perfect. Now let's go to see our assets. And firstly, just you can select your plan like this one, the free one, okay. And now we are on the dashboard of your account on MarketingPlugs.ai, and let's get started with add a project. So we can name it like Dogo. And here, to get our assets to promote any product on social media, for example, if we want to promote a course for dog training, so we can get from here all assets, all graphics, all copies, all marketing videos regarding our course for dog training. Okay, so what's the name of your product or offer you want to promote on social media? And to get assets here from Marketing Plugs, so we can type here course name like Dog Devotee. Okay, perfect. Describe your product, so training. Okay. To tell the robot or the artificial intelligence what our product is about. Add some keywords that describe your product and your offer. For example, we can dog training experience, for example, skills, for example. Okay, perfect. What's your preferred brand color? So we can select for example blue. Okay, you can select yellow, red, black, or any color as you want. And now build my marketing assets regarding your product course for dog training. Okay, and here you will find all categories about marketing assets like copy and content, landing pages to promote your affiliate products on social media, graphics, posts, stock photos, stock media, and so on, videos, attractive marketing videos and promotional videos, voiceovers in different languages including Indian, Chinese, Japanese, Arabic, and so on, stock media, and much more. So we can check these categories one after one simply and quickly. And now let's begin with the first one, copy and content. And then you can generate copies for promoting your course of dog training. As you see, DogDVT is a perfect course for dog training. You will learn everything you need to know, train your dog effectively, and so on and so forth. And you will find a lot of social media styles of your copies, and for social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram. Here you can find Google headlines for carousel post, hashtag generator, hook generator, and so on. So we can try this one, for example, like Instagram captions. And just here you can insert what is the post about. So we can type here promoting a course of dog training. Okay, and then we can select your language and tone of voice, professional, slang, friendly, confident, childish. So we can select this one, professional, and generate copy. Just in few seconds you will get your Instagram caption to promote your course on Instagram, as you see. So you can generate more copies of this Instagram captions and so on and so forth for different websites in the e-commerce category, like headline, sub-headline, product description, call to action for blog, like blog post ideas, for example, DogDVT description of your product. So we can generate copies to generate many ideas about the dog training course. Okay, as you see, the benefits of dog training, the dog training process, the different types of dog training, the history of dog training, and so on and so forth. Here you can find blog post outline and the bullet points to blog. And for sales copy, pain, agitate, solution, it's an amazing and smart strategy to promote any product you want on social media. Pain, this is a problem. Agitate, that you can magnify this problem, and here you will give the customer as solution represented in your product. For example, we can try this one in MarketingPlugs.ai, and you can generate copy using this amazing strategy: pain, agitate, and solution. And of course, I have talked about this amazing strategy before in a previous video. You'll find this video below in the first comment. As you see, the pain, this problem you face as a customer, and this agitate, the magnification of this problem that leads you to a solution or your product. Indeed, you can persuade your customer as this solution. DogDVT, the course of dog training, is a solution for you to train your dog. Okay, perfect, and so on and so forth from these copies that you can generate here from MarketingPlugs.ai. Let's move on to the next category, landing pages to promote your course on social media using a landing page or a mediator. So we can add a new page, and here we can name it like DogDVT course, for example. Just capitalize it, and we can select this template, create new page simply and quickly, and just in a few seconds this wonderful website generates a landing page, a professional landing page to promote your course on social media. Attractive landing page, just in a few seconds, without any hassle, without any effort from you. As you will see just in a few seconds, as you see, DogDVT is a course for you, the ultimate course for training your dog. You have been searching for dog training course that will finally help you train your dog effectively. As you see, many pictures regarding your topic and your course to promote this product professionally and effectively. Here you will find some testimonials and some positive reviews that has great impact on the customer decision. Okay, as you see. And of course, you can edit anything in this landing page as you want. For example, we can edit this review. As you see, just you can add anything or you can remove anything as you see. Okay, here you can customize this text by changing its font size, alignment, and its color, and so on. Okay, and when you're happy with this landing page, just you can save and download it to your device. Okay, so now exit. Perfect. And now we can go together to graphics category to generate posts to promote your course, to promote your products on social media. As you see here, you can get business card, Google Ads, logos, letterhead, and so on. So you can go to social media templates to generate your post on social media platforms like Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and so on. As you see, different styles of your post on social media like this one. So you can change this image from here, change image. You can upload yours from here. You can get help from stock library on MarketingPlugs.ai as you see. Perfect for dog training, or you can search for anything specific. Illustrations, you'll find here millions of illustrations and people with transparent background like point, some expressions, some emotions, and so on. Cancel. Or you can Pro Editor to change this text alignment, font, and so on. You can add something like circle, rectangle, a color, an object, and so on from this one, Pro Editor. Okay, and when you're done, just you can download your post from here, download. Okay, like this one, download, as you see. Just you can exit. And now let's move to the videos to generate attractive marketing videos to promote your course and your product. And just a few seconds here, you will get an attractive and amazing video, promotional video to promote your course, dog devotee course, to promote your dog training course. As you see, this amazing marketing video to promote your course. As you see, okay, attractive promotional video or commercial for your course. Here you can edit your video from these slides or these scenes of your video. Okay, you can change this text to add something else. You can customize your text like fade, transition. You can change its color, font size, and so on. Just you can change this background image in this slide or this scene. Just you can select your background music and so on. Okay, you can rewrite copies to rewrite this text or this script on your video. Here you can change your background music. You will find here a big library of royalty-free music tracks. It's a volume as a background music. Here you can render your video in different dimensions like for YouTube Short, for Instagram, for Pinterest, and so on. Okay, and when you are done, just you can download your asset to your device. And now let's go to the last section in this amazing website, which is about voiceovers. Here you can generate amazing voiceover, natural voiceover in different languages. As you see, you will find your copy is ready to generate your audio and voiceover in different languages. As you see, Arabic, Chinese, Dutch, Danish, German, Icelandic, Norwegian, Romanian, Turkish, Indonesian, and so on. You can change from a lot of voiceovers for female, male, and so on. Or you can translate your copy to a different languages. For example, we can generate audio in English.
Are you looking for a course to train your dog? Our course covers everything from obedience to tricks. You will learn how to potty.
As you see, you can find some pauses, some breathing from the voiceover that makes it as natural as much as possible. Okay, natural voiceover. Perfect. Or you can rewrite copy as you want. Okay, and here you can find stock media, and you find the email swipes to promote your products through email and email marketing, and much more from this amazing website, MarketingPlugs.ai. So if you're working on promoting any product like digital product, print on demand product, physical product, affiliate product, and so on, just you can use and try this amazing platform MarketingPlugs.ai. And to that end, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, you can leave in the comment section. See you in the next video.